So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a partial refund on eBay. So the first thing you should do is log into your eBay account. After that you can see hi your first name, account settings, and sign out. You can also see my eBay and a lot of options it offers. First go to account settings from the left part of the page. After that, you can see personal info, payment information, account preferences, donation preferences, selling. So for seller dashboard, seller account, subscription, and seller capital, go to seller dashboard. Through here, you can go to return dashboard. And from there, to access that, you will need to go to your orders. So let's just see what it looks like through here since I don't have any listings, but I'm going to show you guys anyways. So on the return dashboard of eBay, you can see it's gonna look something like this. So through the orders, you'll see the returns on there. And once you click on that, you'll see the option to offer a partial refund with the message you will be sending to the buyer. So something to the tune of either sorry or I apologize for some issues with the product. And from there, they will have 21 business days to consider that partial refund. And after that, if they accept it, it's going to be given to them. And you also need to put in the amount. So how much money you are going to refund them. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.